Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious strawberry cheesecake that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this strawberry cheesecake, these are the ingredients: strawberry extract, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 pinch of salt, evaporated milk, condensed milk, 5 eggs, and 1 bar of cream cheese. This is everything we need, so let's get started. First things first, getting ready our baking dish. This is the baking dish I'm going to use. Of course, we are going to be covering it with parchment paper. The reason that we are covering with parchment paper is that we don't want our cream cheesecake to stick to the bottom or the sides of the baking dish. So I added 1 whole sheet on the bottom. I am going to cut the excessive out, or you could bend it towards the top, but I like cutting it off. I'm still going to use a baking dish so I could put this on top of a baking dish. But here I am ready to start. Of course, we're going to cover the inside of the mold, and I have another piece of parchment paper, which I'm going to cut some strips so that I could cover the edge. Let me tell you, this cream cheesecake comes out so delicious, so moist, and of course, it's perfect for a dessert after dinner. Perfect for this summer. Well, here I'm bending the sides. I'm trying for it to be a little larger than the edges. This is the part that takes a little longer, getting ready your baking dish. After you get it ready, the rest is so easy to prepare. This is a very easy recipe, but yet very delicious and moist. How are we going to stick the parchment paper on the edges of the baking dish? Well, we are going to use non-stick baking spray to stick all the parchment paper to the edges and the sides of the baking dish. Okay, we have our sheets ready, and let's get started. I am going to go ahead and start spraying only the edges. I'm not going to spray the bottom of the baking dish, only the edges, so the parchment paper really sticks to the edges of the baking dish. Look, just like that. Look how easy it is. Once you have your mold covered completely, then you're ready to start making your cream cheesecake. But let me tell you, it's an easy recipe, and these ingredients, almost everybody has them at home. Just make sure that the cream cheese and the eggs are at room temperature. Look at this, very easy. Just cut your parchment paper, get it ready, put it aside, and then you are ready to start making the cream cheese mixture. Of course, I have my eggs, and my eggs are at room temperature. I am using 5 eggs. Very few ingredients, like I said, and of course, almost everybody have these ingredients at home. Just make sure that the eggs and the cream cheese are at room temperature. Okay, I have the eggs ready, and now I'm ready to add it to the blender. I have my blender here. I'm going to go ahead and start adding first the eggs. I'm going to add the eggs. I'm going to add the cream cheese that's at room temperature. I took it out of the refrigerator about 1 hour ago. I'm adding here the evaporated milk, the condensed milk, and it's not gonna come out too sweet. It's just gonna come out perfect. I'm adding the condensed milk, making sure that I get every little bit from the can out. Okay, this is ready. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt. And this is the best part, the strawberry extract, color and flavor. And now we are ready to blend. It doesn't take too long before everything really incorporates and gets nice and pink. We are ready to pour it into the mold. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in the oven for 40 minutes, no more than 40 minutes. Always preheat your oven. And when it comes out, look at this. We are ready to reveal how this is going to look. We are ready to remove the baking dish and remove the parchment paper from the edges and from the bottom. It's going to stick just a little bit, but that's okay. Look how easy it is to transfer it when it's on parchment paper. You just push it out a little bit at a time so you don't break through it. And look, this is done. Try to put it right on the center, and then let me show you from close up how this looks. It smells really like strawberry, but now this is the best part. Let me show you how it looks from very close angle. Look at this. It's all nice and crispy from the top. And now we are going to slice a piece. And let's see how this looks from the inside. I am sure that's going to be nice and fluffy. If you got up to this part of the video, you like this recipe and love it, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing cream cheesecake. It's fluffy, moist, and delicious. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing cream cheesecake. Yes, cheesecake, cream cheesecake, how you know it. But this is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Look how fluffy and moist it is. And of course, the flavor, just amazing. Excuse me. It really melts in your mouth. I am sure you guys are going to love it. A perfect dessert. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. And if you did, Leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.